2010 Bonanza Badass body shells. Right, let's see what we've got here. Ooh, yeah. Right, this is a one-off, guys. Right, might take a little bit of completing on this one. Look at that. If you're into Hot Wheels, you're gonna know what that is, and if you're not, you're not. If you know, you know. Right. Yeah, it's gonna take a little bit of finishing off, but that is a one-off body shell. I like them Pandora body shells anyway, guys. They're pretty cool. I'm definitely gonna put some black mesh in there. It will need reinforcing. It's quite a thin body shell. Okay, we're gonna see it on the display stand. I like the long back light. That's a pretty cool idea, that. Cover ears. That's a pretty cool idea. Leaving it clear around the back and just painting it red. That's a good idea, man. You can have a long light bar there, and the back probably will have some mesh on there. Needs to be secured a little bit. And this has been a good reproduction of the Hot Wheels. I think it's Mike's Mazda, I think. Love them yellow lights, man. Really cool. Would love the flip up lights on it. Okay, so yep. Is there a place to mount lights? Maybe, we'll have to see. But the back, I could honestly put a long strip, have like a Night Rider light there. We'll see. Watch this space. Okay, let's watch it on the display stand and check it out. So guys, if you're a Hot Wheels fan, you will probably recognize this car straight away. So this is the 95 Mazda RX-7, which is the black Hot Wheels HW Speed Graphics series. So I don't really know much about Mad Mike, but he's got some good taste. And that's quite a good replica. It's one off, and the body shell that was used for that was a body shell that I was looking to get anyway, guys, because they seem to be a little bit more funky than the normal body shells that we're getting, and that's the Pandora body shell. It just seems to be, I don't know, they just seem to be a little bit more street, a little bit more funky, a little bit more blown out. As I say, it was something I was looking to get anyway. But when it came kind of already done, I was like, you know what? That is a rare bit of artwork right there. So I've noticed that the Pandora RX-7, which that is, looks cool. They've got a Supra, which looks really cool as well. And they've got a AE86 Toyota, which looks really cool. The front ends and the way it's just blown out. And it's like, normally where you'd have to go and get the fenders and bolt them on, it seems to come with that kind of look on it. But yeah, so this car did come with SRC mirrors, and there's some little bits and bobs that if I wanted to finish, I could finish on there. I'm going to probably put a spoiler on there, even though I don't think the original car does have a spoiler. But I don't know, I think it would just look pretty cool with one. Obviously I've got the mesh grille, but the one I got was quite thick, so I'm going to have to wait for some stronger tin snippers and do that. And I might just put a light kit. I would love to actually have a light bar going all the way across the back. That would just look so cool. But I don't know if that's in tandem with the actual car itself. The back bit's going to need a bit of reinforcing. The way it kind of has a bit of droop. Could put an exhaust there as well. And that front is low. I mean, I haven't really got it set properly, but you can tell it's pretty low, that. I don't think it's going to be used on-road at all. So it would have to be a smooth drifting track, because that front end is going to come off at one time. Pretty quick. Probably on the first outing it'll get split. So yep. But I like that. I think that's pretty cool. It's a novelty kind of idea, and I like things that are rare, guys. I like things that are one-off, that not many people have. So when I was collecting Mini Zs, I would always look out for stuff that, you know, is custom. And that Hot Wheels sign looks like it's been painted. It doesn't look like a decal. And somebody's pretty good at fine art. Even if it wasn't, I mean, the black and blue kind of effect that goes throughout the car, it works. Looks pretty cool. Looks pretty nice. So yep, that's not something you're going to see every day, guys. Yeah, that's a nice little beauty there. But it definitely will need reinforcing and just finishing off. So had to be on that stand.